of something, you know I try to pray for you. Even when we're touching, you always make a fuss. Okay, I'm pushing, don't test my patience. I'm trying to pace it. You kept me waiting, I try to pray for you. I try to pray for you. Try to play for you. I try to play for you, for you, for you. I try to play for you, for you. I try to play for you, for you. I try to play for you. Pray for you, even when there's nothing, you always make up something. You know I try to pray for you, even when we're touching, you always make a fuss. Okay, I'm pushing, don't test my patience. I'm trying to pace it. You kept me waiting, I try to pray for you. Okay, I'm pacing, it cannot wait 'cause you test my patience. I try to pray for you, for you, for you. I try to pray for you. Try to pray for you. I try to pray for you. I try to pray for you, for you, for you. I try to pray for you. Pray for you.
Maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. Maybe, oh, maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. It's all too late. It's all too late. All too late. It's all too late.
Yeah, baby. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I see the numbers are a bit low, so I'm not too confident in what the guys were getting up to in NFP. But I hope everyone's doing well. NFP finishing off the year strong on a stretcher. We won't even lie, was just, you can even say, a bit lucky. We obviously had, if you guys know, I trade predominantly USD. We wanted to see USD go and gold go the opposite direction. So USD bullish, gold bearish, which is playing out now. But initially, my first lot, which was my biggest lot, went in on USD. I actually had to put it in about 3 times because I like put the wrong lot in. And then eventually had the right one, and then went over, put over gold. So gold took a little bit out of my profits. And I basically closed it out, and USD we left to drive it out for us. So making back the little bit of a loss we took on the gold, and then some profits on top of that. So not a bad one at all. Definitely a good way to finish off the week and finish off the year with our last NFP. Definitely knowing it was still a hard one, so I'll take that one on the chin. But yeah, guys, without further ado, we are gonna dive right into it. So I hope everyone's there. Sorry for being a little bit late. I'm gonna have to pop out literally like 2 minutes again. Our PAs are taking a break, so I'm making my own coffee here in the office. So the kettles is boiling. I just need to go finish it up. But we'll do this since we have a lot of extra time here today. We're obviously going to talk about what we also are looking for on the charts, what's going to be possible, what the cracker wants to do. I already have an idea. I think we learned this time, as much as I think if me and the cracker are in cohesive, same as me, the cracker and the neural net, we can go the same direction. But when it's opposites, we don't want to do that game. It's not a very nice game to play. People get hurt. So we're going to take it easy. But going to nonetheless be an interesting one here today. So I hope everyone is ready for it. Going to be exciting. As I say, I know already what I'm looking for, what my plan of action is for the day. So we're just going to see if we can implement on that. But without further ado, the grabber is in play. What is that on? It shouldn't be in play. Or did you take it on a different, NASDAQ? Alright, interesting. But before we get into that good stuff, guys, we are going to open us up with prayer as always. So let's finish strong here, guys. So as always, we're going to do our Father's Prayer. If you guys know this, you can follow along with us, and then take it from there. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who have trespassed against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Guys, you know what? It's before we even go again. If we always say there's more than 2 amens, He is here and He is present with us. But you know what? Someone we spoke about this the other day, and I just having like that little bit of a hit there with me is a lot of people always go to us and say like, listen, bro, I don't know how to pray. I don't know what to pray for. And you know, the whole thing is with the Father's Prayer is you cover a lot of the main things, but it's about being short and sweet. It's about your story. It's about what you want to say thank you for. It's about your prayer, and that's why every prayer can be different. So again, I don't know, this is something I want to go off my chest. I think a lot of people always think it's a different thing and maybe a competition, and it's not. Your prayer is almost the same as your relationship with God. So if you even want to sit there and you want to say, yo, my bro, I just want to say thank you for today. I want to thank you for the roof over my head. I want to thank you for literally having me in the position that I have a job. Thank you for whatever. Like, talk to him like he's your homie if you want to. It's about your relationship with him. So again, just something that, I don't know, it came to me now. I wanted to get off my head, but never feel that there's anything wrong with the way you pray or how you go about it, or be embarrassed about it. As I say, the Father's Prayer is there. It's easy, it's simple, but at the end of the day, your prayer is about your relationship with him. Do it how you want to. Have it simple, have it advanced. Talk to him for 30 minutes if you want to, but it's about you and him. Just always remember that. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. Just let me know if the audio is a bit loud there, then I'll drop that down for you guys. But no keys, I mean it's still in play on US30. Okay, I'll have a look at that, brother. So let's go over to and see what happened there on the day. Again, big shout out to our sponsor News Squawk, our news partner. So what are we looking at here, guys? And we're going to just talk about this. So we obviously had NFP come out 227. Just to give you guys an idea, the high was 257, the low was 150. So you had a very, very big range. 270, sorry, because it was 120 difference. 150 was the low, and 275 was the high. So coming out at 227, a little bit above the forecast, but you are higher. You're still in the range, sorry. So again, all being priced in. And again, keep in mind that 12k was revised to a 36k. There we go, we can see it. Oh, sorry, the sticker's in the way. Let's see if I roll it up for you guys. The 12k there, revised from 12k. And then unemployment 4.1, and we actually had the rise in 4.2. We spoke about that coming out and seeing what we had in ADP and seeing what we had with the previous unemployment claims. Not a surprise unemployment rate. We've had a 4.2 before, so at this point it's not a record high, but just going back up again. And then obviously we have consumer sentiment still coming out now at 5 o'clock, so we can see how that plays in with these numbers. But again, everything, yeah, guys, the high also on the employment rate was a 4.2. The minimum was a 4. So again, numbers like this and numbers like this all priced in already ahead of time, so no shock to the markets. So let's go over to it and see what's happening. US30, obviously we spoke about it. We'll break that down in the analysis, but let's start off with DXY. Now what we want to take note of on DXY is again that weekly key level. I said to you guys, we can have a move where this thing can test and come down. Not only test this weekly key level, but they're testing that 200. The big thing for me, as I said, if you guys weren't there, end of the London session, and also we spoke about this in the NFP call, is the idea you can get that bearish dollar, get it to come back down, holding the daily S1, taking that previous week low, taking weekly lows, and just like I said with everything else, have that reversal. Because again, not a number that was anticipated, but this was a number that was forecasted. They were prepped, they were ready, they were priced in. Now you can see dollar put that power back on and see that move to the top side. If we can get above that daily resistance, for me that is the area. Once you start trading above that daily resistance, Asia highs, dollars back in and go for that key level. So just have a key look out for that. Nasdaq, as I said, very interesting one. Obviously we are still bullish, but we are already trading at, for myself, the weekly target, the monthly R1. As long as we hold out there, everything is a very, very expansive already. So as I said, we can potentially trade in here, which we had the test, and then come down, but then we also can go back till eventually we break and start trading back above. But for me, the pair already had its move for the week, if you want to call it that. I don't want to be caught in the little range in up and down volatility. US30 going bullish. Very, very simply, this is a little quick tip I'll always tell you guys. When you want to ride a candle out, if it's gonna go bullish, if it's not something like what gold did, if this was a clear indication it's going bullish, you can always give the first 5 minutes candle. If there's a key area, you close the trade, get out. If this closed above it, you 100% could have held it. So for myself, how we trade it, I'm not going to go that much into depth, but I closed my trade there on it, and that was purely because that closed down there. If it had closed above, I would have held till the next key area, but a 5 minute on news events will always give you that continuation move before the reversal. If it's going to reverse, it will trade, close here, and then this candle will be the candle that reverses. That is my one little tip I'm going to give you guys for news. The few hundred of you that are still alive and trading today, not crying and giving up on trading because you blew up on NFB and you weren't listening to the G's. So we are still looking here, as we are saying, we are bullish. The big thing I said to the guys this London stream, if you guys took tips, and this is another tip we said to you yesterday, I want to be bearish. I want to see a move going down, but the problem I had, and anyone that was in the call yesterday will be able to tell you, the issue I had is EQ untested. EQ untested. So I want to see that move. It can go bearish, but it needs to hit that EQ. So if we open up today, I don't know what the cracker's doing yet, I haven't looked, but if we open up and we do this and the cracker wants to sell, I'm on the money with it. But if we continue to hold here, maybe even have a potential pullback to the weekly pivot, even Asia highs, and then go this way, I'm very, very happy with that. So we're going to see what it wants today. Then lastly, with gold for me, it's been a tricky one. We said pretty much neutral for myself. I spoke to you guys, these were the two ranges. Anything above that monthly pivot with that high and this low over here, I didn't want to touch it. We need to see some more continuation moves, some breakaways. This was our trade back into the same with gold, that EQ. Now trying to move away from it. We're seeing that bearish move happen. Again, I'm personally only going to wait for the previous daily low because we saw the breaks, earlier, and then reversals. And now the fact this is a little intra level, it can still turn around. So for myself, I personally will still wait for a previous daily low, a hold under the previous daily low, and then I will look for the sells on gold. But my main objective here today, I'm not going to go too crazy. We killed NFP. I'm going to look for US30. Now there's one problem here, guys. So for myself, we've spoke about this. I know we've added now 2 times the neural net and the cracker have gone against each other, and the cracker is leading this 2-all. You're telling me now the NN is looking for sells, and apparently the cracker is looking for buys. Let me confirm. Okay, this one could be on the money. It is literally a super close call. You could argue it's bullish still, but the cracker is one of those again today where it's you could argue it if you wanted to. But as I said, I do like the sells. It just needs to open up bullish first, and then I like the sells quite a lot. So guys, we basically have 10 minutes left. Just excuse me for like 2 minutes. I need to go finish that cup of coffee.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear.
Go straight in. Hey guys. Man, needed his coffee. Caught the traders in NFP. Beautiful stuff, brother. Beautiful. Dead candles, cracker grubber, and NN on the sells. Oof. I wonder what candle y'all are looking at. To go straight. Big Ed, you could have joined Keys on stream. What kind of wingman are you? Yeah, guys, the man just ran out the building. He was like, it's Friday. Keeks, you by yourself, bro. Keeks, it's too hot for coffee, bro. It's like Antarctica, yeah. For me right now, I'm sitting in a nice crisp 19 degrees here in the studio. Keeks, I think if the candle closes under the 200, I'm going for the sell on the open. Yeah, I think that's a good call there, my brother. If you... Let me just see where... Yo, bro. That's quite a move. I mean, you can, bro. You never had expectations. So one thing I always teach guys is if you've got a news induced candle, right, that bad boy over there, and it wasn't a break, it wasn't a continuation, you're always going to go back to fill the news induced candle. A little tip there as well. Keys, what do you mean you drinking coffee? Sorry, man, Friday things. Nah, it's all good, bro. Chris was going to be here, but I think obviously things are running a bit later at his side, so it's all good. It's been NFP all this time, guys. I'm just going to tell you now, it's not going to be a long one today. We're going to be short and sweet. We're going to have the cracker, see how a few things play out, and call it a day. We're not going to push it too long here. Keeks, the strat you posted works like a wonder on US30, bro. I'm so glad you guys are using it. I'm so glad you guys are using it. I usually online the book named How to Make a Quick Million in December. Anyone has a copy of those where I can get one, I'm defeated. I said if you're gold, I'm happy with that. Great, bro. Keeks, you think these will continue towards the upside? Personally, yes, bro. I personally, as I said to the guys, I was seeing NFP be a bearish move on it and then continue unless we had a massive number today, which I don't. If you want to think of it this way, what I said to our members last night was the idea of they had to get, think of it like this, think of it like a train. The train was derailed of super extraordinary scenarios. The train got derailed with that 12k last month with the hurricanes and all of that happening. This number had to just put the train back on the rails. So it wasn't a massive number, it wasn't a small number, hence didn't break a minimum or a maximum massive range, but it put it back on track. So it took a small little shot, that bearish move, and now it can carry on doing what it needs to do. So think of it like that. I'm getting my, that's sure a lot of muscle mass. What something would you recommend, Big Ed? That's a magnet on EQ, smash it up. Me and Malando went full margin and now both. You need food, my guy, lots of food, but with supplements you should yourself some protein. If you use STS10, you can get them served or protein, whey protein, just go to their websites. Yo, Ed plugging himself even here on the stream for protein. Guys, you can use code KEEGS10, even though it's 10, it gives you 15% discount. Go use KEEGS10. I'll check it out. So we're gonna see what happens here. Which gym is the best in PE Keeks? Bro, 100% hands down move. Like, I'm surprised, honestly, that other people aren't there. Like, I know Ignite for kids, bro, for young people, like, because they just want lighting. They want lighting that makes them look triple the size they are, and they can put all their filters on, and it's a flippin' club with the DJ playing all the time, and that's for the kids. But Virgin is so stupid right now. Move is hands down the best, bro. Yeah, it's the old Viva. Bro, mad gym. That's I gymmed in at Michael. I left Virgin, I went there. Keep in mind, I've been at Virgin my whole life. I was at Virgin. I left Virgin to go to, when we started Planet Fitness here. Left Planet Fitness, back to Virgin. Went from Virgin, went to Ignite. Left Ignite, went back to Virgin. Left Virgin, went to Viva. Left Viva, went back to Virgin. Been at Virgin ever since, and now literally 2 months ago I moved from Virgin to Move. United salespeople, not gym people. Exactly, bro. Yeah, Virgin Active dropped their standards in PE. Like, I'll still say, you know what, a Virgin Active still a Virgin Active in Cape Town, Joburg. To be fair, Joburg, bro. Joburg's Planet Fitnesses are elite. But yeah, the PE, bro, not even close to the Green Acres. Shit. Humewood is a cardio session for all the mommies. Lorraine was like the bodybuilding mecca for Virgin Active, and they've just dropped the ball, bro. Like, I don't, guys, so anyone that knows that it's a massive ongoing joke about the aircon at Virgin Active. Like, it's been an issue. It's been an issue. Then this morning, I still get a message, maintenance alert. Virgin Active Lorraine has no aircon. Our team is working on it. Bro, you guys been working on it for 3 years. What do you mean? Off my Virgin my whole life, you can't be saying. Virgin has dropped everywhere. Oof, clip that. But let's see, guys. We are quite locked in. We're actually 2 minutes till market open. See if we can finish the week strong. Hey boy, you're gonna get me in trouble, yeah. Alright, let's drop down, baby. We've got 40 seconds left. Let's see what's gonna come and play here for us today. Yep, only the Signature Series Planet Fitness are elite. Used to have membership at the Valkyrie Gym. Alright, guys. Nearly time to lock and load, yeah. Yeah, time to lock and load. He's always been a bunny. Alright, guys, for the last time this week. Round 10, markets are open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Do we still have the... Why is it so soft? Hold on, let me see it, Chad. I think this is the soundboard. Volume level. That sounds louder. Why does that one sound so soft? I don't know. We're gonna move on from that, bitch. I don't need to. Your boy needs to focus here. Ah, there's the grabber, baby. There's the grabber. That's what I want to see, Chad. I'm gonna go for the sell. We're taking the grabber, yeah. I'm just gonna wait for one thing though, guys. I'm not taking it yet, but we're gonna do the grabber play, yeah. So I'm gonna go look for a sell. I haven't entered yet. Don't run without us. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Didn't take it, keys, because of the 200, yeah. That, bro, I'm happy. As I said, for me, bang. EQ, now I'm ready for it. Don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. Oh, still can't take it there, guys. I can't take it, yeah. Gotta wait. This thing gonna make me wait. Just give us a nice entry. Give us a nice entry. A daily pivot, I think, might be a bit of a problem, yeah? Come on. Oh, so close. Chad, that was like so close, but I couldn't take it. Come on. Don't do this to us. What did we do to you? Just stay like there. There. Oh, just chill. Just chill. The daily pivot. Come on. Come on, I need the closure. Just give it. Why is this thing doing this to us? Gotta be patient, yeah, Chad. There we go. This is what we want. This is what we want. Alright, Chad. I'm in now. Yeah. This is what we want. And yeah, guys, can be a big move, but 1-to-1, and then we'll see how we're going to manage it, possibly daily S1. That will be our move here. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. Just run there for us. weekly, monthly pivot's gonna be a bit of a problem here for us. What's going on here in the chat? What does smart money do here, guys? This is only people out of the metaverse. I'm going to bet 100 and smart money was Chris. I think everyone spent their money in NFP, that's why there's no volume. Champlamena is probably lurking. Music making me nervous. Yeah, the music's like adding to it, yeah, bro. Volume is low. You were in on the grabber. I mean, you would have already had 60 pips, yeah. Keeks, you know where Peter Murray is? Haven't been around for a while. Damn, bro. Nah, I don't know where he is. Yeah, when you say that, bro, yeah, actually, I really don't. Oof, that monthly pivots. We're gonna have monthly pivot versus daily pivot. I don't know how I feel about that. The news range full idea is a good target for USD, so I think you're good, Keeks. Yeah, yeah, we just don't want to see it. Obviously, for me, the minute this thing of this gets back to that EQ and gets above that EQ, it's going for it. So that's, I'm not going to push and be too greedy. I'm not going to try cut stops and things like that. We got to let this try play out. I'm out at 40 pips stop loss. Hey. Is that 40 pips? I don't know where you entered them, brother. I just want to look at this on a high time frame quickly. Yeah, for me guys, daily S1, nice target there for us. Yeah. And obviously that's full CP. So that's just the plan there, guys. Obviously things can, you can hit stops, but that just will be the plan. So that's basically 60 pips, 120 pips, and then full TP is at, I think we even bring it down there, full TP is at 200 pips. That just will be the target here. Once under that monthly pivot, I think we'll get that melt we're looking for. Wait, hold on. Who's getting... Whoa, guys, what's going on here? Wait, you got muted now. Smart money wants Rook's range. Man's heard you over 100 ZAR H. What? Could be metaverse. Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. What is this man on about, guys? 100 ZAR H. Hey, bro. I don't get what these boys are on about. I don't get what these boys are on about. Just break that monthly pivot. Just want to have it set there for you guys. Chris mustn't, bro. I don't know why he still did that in the first place. Steinsberg is still smart money, a professional trailer. Key smart money was saying Rooks is employed by 2Gs and giving Rooks shit about, oh my word. Hey bro, these guys have nothing better to do with their lives. Keys on my chart, the EQ is not tested. Which one are you using? This is FP Markets, brother. FP Markets. I used to use an Ender, but I noticed for prop firms, a lot of them actually use FP Markets feed. So hence I moved over to that purely for that reason. I entered the wrong lot on the wrong account on USD. Made 1% in about 10 seconds. Took 10 pips. God favored me with that one. Hey, bro. That's a happy mistake. That is always a happy mistake. Technically, as you zoom out, we consolidating. Yeah, I know. But so TP2 will literally, TP1 will be your 60 pips. TP2 should be the news reversal. And then TP3 is basically the grabber play. So full TP. Now we just be impatient, Chad. We're just gonna chill out here today, have a chat, see how things go here. See if we can have a really great end to the weekend. Nah, it's all-time highs again, ish. No keys, my pair. How many pips is the grabber? The grabber today would be 60, 120, there's 200, 260. Oh shit, I'm going to the wrong one. The grabber today is basically 250 pips today. So from EQ to S1, 250. Sorry guys, I can't, as much as we want to look at this, we haven't even TP1 or even, we could have actually maybe gone, but I'm going to see how this candle closes. But there really is no volume in it. This is really taking long here, guys. Damn. I just want to quickly see, guys, what is DXY doing. So DXY testing a day pivot, holding here. Yeah, so DXY is holding its own. Gold fighting back. Alright. NAS back at what time is. And US 30, yeah, fighting back as well. Yeah, it looks like that monthly pivot's gonna hold for us. This is that wick stop loss and go days in US 30 witchcraft's price action, bro. It really is one of those days. Cracker making us work today, bro. Cracker's like, bro, we're not going down without a fight here. Which I'm not going to complain about. The orange lines need to come. You guys like the orange lines? Hey bro, when these mentors just copy you. Like I literally posted like NFP stuff and I was like, December money baby. Now the guys come with like December cash, I'm him. Like come on Max, bring your like no hate if you guys know I'm talking about. Me and the man aren't chilled, we are mates. But like this thing is fighting us. Just go easy. Let's finish this strong, yeah. So this thing really is making us fight for that. Like it really is. Now the only thing is like I don't know if it's a good thing. Like we could have been break even, yeah, and this thing's just having it around. Or are we gonna take a loss here? I don't know at this point. I really don't. Because like the markets don't even know what they want yet. This thing is just playing games here, Chad. Could this be due to Michigan sentiment coming out at 5? Definitely it could be. It could be actually still. The orange lines don't lie. Alright, let's go have a look here for some orange lines, Chad. Let's go look for some orange lines. Alright. The only problem is like, Chad, that there is our orange lines, so we aren't even close to them. Like that would be the orange lines. So we will see them come into play, but for now we're not even close to them. Friday news always 50-50. Say 100 pip stop loss to get 100 pip. Ain't no way, imagine. Like, guys, how choppy is this? Oh my word. I think this is the longest USD trade I've been in a long time. No, orange lines aren't Asia lows. They sometimes can line up pretty close, but no, they're not Asia session. Price will see the orange lines. No, it would drop. The fact for me, I will say, it's really battling to go higher. So as much as it breaks above that monthly pivot, it can't get away from it. So the minute we can break underneath it and break, I think it's gonna go. Because we've broke, if you think of it this way, we've traded the whole day above it and we keep coming down, 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 and we're going higher. It's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chances to break up and it couldn't. So yeah. Come on. Just run for us. This is what we're saying, guys. You just need this run now. That's all I'm waiting for. The more level gets tested, the weaker it becomes. Exactly, guys. Think about it. If I take a sledgehammer and every time I hit this wall or this picture next to me, eventually it's going to break and go through. There's our session low so far. NAS is pumping, S&P is pumping, USD is not. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna go break even. At this point, like, it should run. If we really go up again, I'm not gonna. Like, if we honestly go up again, then it's a Friday, guys. Like, I've given this thing a fair amount of chance to run now. Yeah, so if it doesn't run, guys, it doesn't, but yeah. Usually should fall, just break now. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. As I was talking to a viewer today at the shops, and we were talking about, I really actually don't like trading Fridays, because as much as you can win, if you lose, bro, it's like your whole weekend's lost. Because it's not like you, in theory, not revenge trading, but it's not like, okay, go to bed, sleep on it, look at what I did wrong, come back tomorrow and fix it. No, I'm going to go through the whole weekend and Monday come back and fix it. So yeah, I'm not going to fight it if it can't. I've given it how long of a chance. If it's literally still fighting me, then you know what, whatever. So either she goes down, otherwise I know I've done what I need to do. 200 still my nemesis. Delolo trade day. US74, US30 sales matter. Already guys, this now, if this holds and this does that, that is beautiful. If this can do something like that now, that it will be beautiful. Come on. Just do something. Not as low as we wanted it to be, but try for us. At least I'm 1% on the accounts with the happy mistake. Yeah, Chad, obviously we had the news come out now. We're going to have a little bit of a look at what that came out as. Alright, okay. So it came out strong. Drive for us. Come on, just get through that. Chad, I swear, this has literally been the longest USD trade I've been in a long time now. Come on. Come on. There we go, baby. There we go, Chad. TP1, baby. TP1. We had to wait a bit for this, but it was, she came. There we go. Alright guys, get ready for a little influencer stuff. Alright guys, so here we go. US30 sells. We have obviously a bit more of a swing trade today, coming into the end of a Friday. We again took this trade, not only having NFP murdered on a straight here today, we took this trade. Everyone that took the trade with us sent a W at the moment, all live on stream. There we go, the W is coming through. But guys, catching this with us, finishing the week strong, and our trade going to plan. So definitely a good way to do this. Now time to enjoy the weekend. Have a good one, guys. Alright. Chad, I'm going to see where this thing closes, but we are break even. If this thing closes above that 200, then I'm going to just kill it. Let's see. Can we even close? Oh, we are holding there. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. No, we still holding it. Don't you worry. This 5 is still driving. So we chilling, yeah, bro. We are chilling. Let's see. Let's see if we can finish strong yet, Chad. You know what, guys? I'm going to close it. As you said, it is weekend. I just want to enjoy myself. I close out, guys. Definitely can still run, but I'm not going to try. We had obviously NFP is a great trade. We closed out still just shy of, I think, the 60 or the 62. It was around, yeah, when it was about the top of that week almost. So yeah, 58 or so. Closed there. But let's stream quarter from the EQ again. Thanks, Keegs. Amen to you. It was a monster, bro. But yeah, guys, you know what? Great way to end off the week. NFP on a stretcher. Great finish of the trade. Yeah, we've been catching a lot more of our bigger moves again, which I'm loving. I hope you guys are doing it as well, enjoying it. And we got one more week, guys. One more week, and then it's going to be all the good stuff. So I really hope you guys have a great one. We're going to basically wrap it up. Yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys for too long. Keys is the crypto guy's name. Andy. No, not Andy, brother. Not Andy. That's a random one, but no, not Andy, bro. So there's the trade, guys. You still want to hold. As I said, I do believe the news induced candle, just the bodily low of that candle, you definitely can have that as an easy target. But I already had NFP caught it from there to there, and now we caught this down. I'm not going to be greedy. So other than that, guys, have a great one. Let's just go full. So great way to end the week, guys. Been a good one. Levels and levels. Again, I'm going to be enjoying the F1. So that's my goal this weekend. I'm going to chill out, watch some F1. Everyone else, as you always say, guys, don't get greedy. Don't give the money back. If you made some money, give it yourself. Enjoy the weekend. It is December, so it's going to be a lot of time with your loved ones spending that money there, rather than blowing it up on the charts. Okay, let's enjoy the weekend. Exactly, bro. Now we can go up. Heads up and have a good weekend. You can have that drink and sit back and relax rather than drink your sorrows away. Not that I'm promoting drinking, guys, but as always, we're going to see you guys same place, same time next week. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Tell us all how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own when you're shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you're flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make a break when you never did stand a chance. Don't mess up, don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. try if you come your way out. Do it on your own when you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubts. 'Cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. Sometimes I wonder, will we be around to see forever on the solar cloud? Sometimes when you're here, I